people like you who dug deep, and I was talking earlier of Professor Clive Roberts, who spent his entire life doing railway engineering.
Yeah.
That stripe of people seem to be sort of not so very attractive to the academic community at large. Would you say, why would you, is there a reason to still dig deep and stay deep in one profession?
Well, I think there are a number of reasons. One is that you can become a real expert, and that's an advantage. But a second, which is much more practical, is that you can develop partnerships which are long-lasting, and which are very helpful, and particularly industry partnerships. And I'm a great fan of working closely with industry. So, if you start to work with a bunch of companies in the trucking industry, you need to give them your full attention.
Yeah.
Right? It's no good going off and working on something else, because I want them to keep paying me money. I want them to keep providing me with interesting problems. I want them to keep taking my graduate students. I want to have a real deep relationship with that small set of companies. I've got to pay them full attention.
Yeah.
So the strategy of talking with industry and understanding their problems, understanding their challenges, and bringing some academic spark to those problems, so it's not just the practical day-to-day solutions that you're working on, but thinking about the long-term issues and so on. That's a very rewarding approach. So sticking with one, if you can do it, and
Sure.
I don't think everybody can do it, and I've been very lucky to be able to do that. But it has been very rewarding to work closely with industry and to have long-term industry funding, which is very, very valuable.